Alright, doing the Cessna 414 pressurization system these next 2 days. So in here, let me turn my light on. We got our two outflow valves. We got pressure constantly flowing from our engine, pumping air in. Those guys let it out and metered amount to keep our cabin pressurized but not overpressurized. So yeah, got the little electric guy in there also to, we got two for redundancy. Then, coming up front to the cockpit, right in here, we have our cabin atmosphere controls. Alright, so we got first of all, our cabin altitude indicator right here. And the inside arc there is going to be our pressure differential. We got the green arc there, make sure we don't stay within the structural limits of the pressure vessel of the aircraft, so we don't rip it apart with air pressure from inside and outside. We have our controller here where it's like a thermostat, except for pressure. You set what altitude you want it at there, just like that. And then you got your rate of change. So you got your thermostat setting your pressure, and your rate of change is how fast you want to get to that pressure. And then you got the indicator for rate of change there. So then, moving right over here, we got our pressurization valves. So these two control our supply. Right there. And so in the pressurization, they're nice and closed, and we're getting air from our turbo through that system there, through our cooler, coming in here and doing all our pressurization on both sides of the aircraft from each engine. That's what we got, a left hand and a right hand. And then finally, controlling it from here, we got our pressurization. This controls the dump valve in the back. So if we move that to depressurize, it moves the valve in the back, depressurizing all the air, getting us back to atmospheric air. And then pressurize, it's closing that valve. Yeah, nice simple system.